Alright. It's supposed to be really nasty.
The cacao challenge.
Cacao challenge.
Cacao.
We got impatient. We couldn't wait for Uncle Kurt and Eric.
It smells
Oh,
like
they're
chocolate.
huge.
It smells just like chocolate, so holy crap.
Hold on. Okay, go ahead.
Mmm. This is terrible. Ah.
Need sugar. It tastes like crayon.
Soda.
Ugh.
Is it hard?
Oh, crap. I
Ugh.
broke it. Oh.
But you won't eat the whole thing anyway.
Oh, did you eat and you spit it?
Yeah.
Now,
Oh,
chew it. You have to chew it.
Go. Oh, I didn't feel good.
That's what I said.
I didn't feel good. Oh.
Where's the sugar?
What was that, Mom?
I didn't quite get that.
I'm pretty sure she said it tastes like
Yay.
Oh.
I think it's gonna be more than that.
a little bit better.
And she's still going. Just a little.
That was terrible, huh, Mom?
Yeah, but Pig made that no more.
I love you.
Yeah, what's this pig?
I want you to try it.
Is it laxative?
No.
No. Ghirardelli doesn't make chocolate laxatives.
So far as we know.
It smells strong. Where's it from? What is Ghirardelli? Is that laxative?
No. I wouldn't tell you it's chocolate if it's.
Not chocolate.
Why would you want me to taste it?
Because it's
I
good
want you to
chocolate.
taste it.
You didn't make it though, right?
No. Look at the logo.
They have the
on
we have the
front of
wrapper in the
square.
kitchen.
Just eat it.
I don't trust you.
I ate it. Aunt Margie ate it. Monica ate it.
We all ate it.
Yeah, but why am I being recorded?
Because.
Does it make you poop?
No!
It's bitter, huh?
Chew it all up. It's from Tosh. It's called 100% Cacao Challenge. I couldn't do it.
I couldn't either. Aunt Margie
Mom,
ate the
we got
whole
hers
thing.
recorded. You wanna watch it?
It tastes nasty.